In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to open a demo trading account for free. So first and foremost, you want to go to the Play Store or the App Store and search for MetaTrader 5 and you're going to download it. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to open. You're going to look for settings, then you're going to select new account, and then here you're going to select MetaQuotes Limited. Select demo account, then provide your information. Now this doesn't have to be your real name, date of birth, or email address and phone number, right? You can make up demo data. Then once you do that, you're going to select done. Oh, and one more thing, you can change your deposit. So if you select deposit, you can select a minimum of $3,000. Accept the terms and agreement, and then select register. Select start, and that's literally it. Now if I go on trade, you'll see the $3,000 that I started with. Now to make your first trade, you're going to select charts, right? Or better yet, let's go to quotes. You can select the currency pair of your choice, let's say AUD/JPY, then select trade, and then you can choose to buy or sell. If you want to view the chart for it, you can select the pair by tapping on it, and then select chart. Now you should see the chart for AUD/JPY. Now to close the trade, you can simply tap on the existing position here, right? And you will see I have the option to close it, set a stop loss, or set a take profit. So let's select close. And here I have the option to just go ahead and close it. Now one thing to note, you can close partial lot size, right? So if I adjust this to say 0.05, then only this will be closed. So let's select close. If you notice, I have 0.01 lot running. So if I go on trade, so instead of having a 0.15, I now have a 0.10, right? So that's basically it in a nutshell. If you want to learn more about trading, you can go on babypip.com to get your education going. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.